At Solar CC, we breed heroes. No, not the cape-wearing kind, the everyday kind of heroes, the problem-solving kind. The ones that produce everyday products, keep our factories operating, and ensure our assembly lines run smooth. The kind of heroes we breed are the ones with a passion for what they do. Our precision machining program lets you master real-world skills in a fast-paced environment where you'll learn CNC programming and how to operate manual lathes and milling machines. You'll even get to manufacture, assemble, test, and repair various parts and machines used in manufacturing. Choose your pathway and decide where you want your career to go. Upon completion, you'll earn industry-specific certifications that are relevant for today's workforce. And once you graduate, your career as a hero begins right away. Whether you want to work as a technician, team leader, researcher, or in quality assurance, Solar CC will prepare you for life in manufacturing after graduation. We believe the best way to create heroes is to give our students knowledge that empowers them, transparency so they know what to expect, and motivation to drive them to be the best around. And our small class sizes, low tuition rates, and multiple campuses make becoming a hero even easier. So what are you waiting for? Be your own problem solver, troubleshooter, world changer. Be your own hero at Solar CC. Visit our programs page to learn more about our precision machining program at Solar CC.